Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're going to be making some leather coasters, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so I haven't done a video with this laser in a while, and today we're going to be making some leather coasters. And this is something that I've been doing, not for like a long time, but I've been doing it for a while. And I'm going to start putting this on Etsy, and that's what you're going to be seeing today. Just in case, because I know somebody's going to ask me what kind of leather I'm using. I'm actually using, I believe it's 5 to 6 ounce leather. Yeah, 5 to 6 ounce leather. And this is just natural leather. That's what I'm using right now. But we're not going to use this roll. I'm actually just for the video, I'm going to use this small piece right here. Just to make this, I'm just going to make just one for the video. I mean, that's all we need, just a small piece. Okay, so I'm going to turn this thing on. It's going to get kind of loud in here. Again, because of the compressor, the whole thing going on. But you'll see the whole process. So again, let me turn everything on. Okay, so one of the things I do is I use application tape, and this is to cover the leather. That way, the laser doesn't burn it, and it just comes out a lot better. You can use regular painter's tape, like the white tape or the blue tape, green, whatever tape you want to use. I use application tape because it's a lot easier to take it off. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to get a piece of this application tape. So depending on how much leather you're going to be working with, that's how much tape you're going to need. In this case, I'm only going to do a small piece. So that's all I need. And then I'm going to apply it again. Like I said, I'm only going to use this small piece. I'm going to apply it on that piece of leather. Okay, so you can apply it just to the leather itself, but I like to leave it a little. This is like way too big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually stick it to the actual honeycomb. That way the leather stays in place and it doesn't move on me when I'm engraving it. Because I'm actually gonna engrave the coasters and then the laser's gonna cut it. I am so sorry guys if you guys cannot hear me that good. I know there's a lot of noise in here because of the laser being on, but very, very simple. Okay, so as you can see, there's a circle already on it, and that's where I've been cutting it. So again, you can tell that I've been using it a while. So this is what I meant. I'm gonna, use the tape. This is too much tape. You don't need this big of a piece. It doesn't have to be that big, but whenever you use like the masking tape, go ahead and put a little piece of tape to the honeycomb. That way that way your tape or your leather doesn't move on you whenever you're engraving it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a trace. That way to make sure that I put it in the right spot and that the laser has enough room for the piece, because I'm just using a small piece. I'm going to try to go ahead and do it with the door open. That way you guys can see the entire process in real time. Okay, so here we go. And like I said, this is going to be in real time. This is how fast the laser is actually engraving. You can actually go faster than that, but I like it at that speed, so that's what I'm using. If anybody wants to know, I'm actually going 10 inches per minute. Right now, the laser is 20 watts, 90% of 20. And again, the speed is 10 inches per minute. Just in case if anybody asks the speed. So yeah, you don't want to stick your hand in there. It's going to burn. But again, like I said, I was going to do it in real time. This is not a time lapse, it's real time. So yeah, that way you guys can see how fast this actually can go. It actually can go faster than this, but I like I said, I think this is a good speed. So usually you want to have the door closed so the laser can pull all the smoke out. And I don't know if you can see, but there's the smoke coming out on that end. Whenever you're engraving leather smells really bad. Smells like burnt hair. So normally you want to have the door closed. In this case, I got it open just for the sake of the video, just so you guys can see the entire process. Again, real time. This is exactly the speed that the laser is engraving on right now. So, and as you can see, the burn. See how it looks like I don't know, like a fading. That's the laser burning the actual application tape. Otherwise it would have been burning the leather itself, and it's gonna stain it. It's really hard to get it off, so that's why I put the application tape. Again, you don't have to use application tape. You can use masking tape, like painter's tape. You can use that. I mean, if you already have a laser, more than likely you already know how to do this. But for those of you that don't have a laser and you're wondering why I have a tape, or why I put the tape on, is just to protect the rest of the leather. So as you can see right there, see how it looks like it's fading out? That's actually the laser burning or staining the paper. There you go, it's almost done. So as soon as it's done with the engraving, it's going to switch over and it's going to cut around the entire piece. There you go, now it's doing the cutting. So I didn't time it, I don't know how long it took. So I mean, it's not that long. And we also can cut a bunch of them at the same time. So there you go, it's done. The poster is done. So let me turn everything off so you guys can hear me, or you don't hear that noise in the background. Okay, so I turned everything off because it's pretty loud. So there you go. That's let me see if I can get it to focus better. Right there. So there you go. The finished product, not a finished product, but the coaster is done. So all I gotta do now is remove this masking tape, and if you get it wet, it comes off real easy, but it's not that hard. I mean, you can see how easy it comes off. You can pull it, so just like that. That's how easy it comes off. And then we're gonna take the rest of it off. And again, this is just masking tape. You can use painter's tape. I always repeat myself a lot. So just like that, and the tape is completely out. Well, actually, I missed the R right there. The tape is completely out. So now all we do now is we stain it. Okay, so let me show you the ones that I already done. This one right here will be a natural. So actually, that's natural, right? But if we put a protective coating on it, that's what it'll look like. So this will be the natural. And then we have, this is, I believe this one is called Canyon 10. No, that's this one right here. This one is called Java. Right here, let me see if I can get this to show it. Let me see if I can get it to focus so you guys can see. There you go. Java Brown, that's what this one is. Actually, this one. That's what this one right here is. Java Brown. Let me put it over here. This one is Canyon 10. I believe this one's the same as Java. This one right here, really dark right here, is just mahogany. And again, this is also a Canyon 10. So that's what we're gonna do on this one, just so you guys can see how we get that. So again, we get the stain. In this case, we're gonna be using the Java, what was it called? Java Brown. And all we do is like, make sure you wear gloves, cause see, I already got that stuff on my fingers, and this is stain. That stuff will not come off. Well, it will come off, right? But it doesn't come off that easy. And then we just get this little cotton swab thing wet, and then we just, you know, just kind of stain it like that. Make sure if you're using a table or whatever it is that you're going to be staining this on. Let me focus. I'm using a manual focus, so this will not focus on its own. Yeah, make sure that you wear gloves, because this stuff stains really, really bad. I know I'm not using gloves because I don't know, because I didn't grab them. But also, if you're gonna be doing this on your craft table or whatever it is that you're gonna be staining this at, make sure that you cover. Like for example, see right now, I'm working on my laser, so the honeycomb, I don't care if it gets stained, right? But this is just how we stain it. Again, this is leather stain, and I'm not doing a very good job right now because, you know, I'm just trying to make the video at the same time, which doesn't make any sense, right? But there you go. So that's what it will look like once it's stained. Another thing I do is I actually flip it over and I stain the back of it. So as you can see, this one is stained, and I actually put the name in there because I want to know which stain I'm working with. Because we are gonna sell this on Etsy. So whenever somebody picks the let's say for example the color, I want to be able to go in the back and find out, you know, like for example, grab my sample, flip it over, it'll have the name there, and I can grab the right stain and I don't put the wrong one. But again, you're gonna be able to find this on my Etsy store. If you want to get some, obviously it's gonna have your last name and your initial. So in this case, this is my last name, Cortez, and it has that C for it, Cortez, you know. And if you guys want to order some, again, you can go on my Etsy. There's a link in the description below where you can go find these at, and among other stuff. But that's it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. But yeah, I mean, these are all the colors that we have. Actually, there's more colors, but I didn't wanna what do you call it? I didn't want to add like way too many colors. So I think I only added like three, maybe 4 colors with the there's actually 3 colors and the natural. So there you go. That's the colors that we have. And I think that's it. That's pretty, I mean, this video is pretty easy. So So that's it for the video, guys. Like I said, it was pretty simple. Man, I got stain all over my fingers. Both hands. But that was it, guys. It was super simple. If you guys are interested in or looking for a laser, make sure you check out Com5. They're the ones that actually sponsor this video by providing the laser. So check out Com5, and if you are looking for a laser and you go to Com5 and you want to buy a Com5 laser, there's actually a code on the description below that you can get a percentage off on whatever lasers you buy. So again, or if you need equipment or if you need parts for your lasers that you already have, use code liberty01 and you will get a discount. How much? I have no idea how much, because I don't know how much you're gonna be buying. So again, guys, thank you for watching. This is it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I will catch you on the next one. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. If you made it this far, thank you, guys. I appreciate your support. I will catch you on the next one. Thank you, and I will see you later. Bye-bye. God bless you. See you later. Bye-bye now.